Well, it's been a soggy Saturday, Lisa, and I think from the sounds of things, Sunday and Monday even sloppier.
Yes, I do think so. Things really ramped up this afternoon. I know I was talking to you before we had some of our earlier shows. I'm like, this system just went totally winter for some of these locations. So yes, it's kind of tricky. That's what happens with these weather systems, though, of course, this time of year. So here's the latest with the forecast. Let's check out those next weather headlines. First of all, yes, we did have some rain earlier, even just some drizzle within the last hour or so, at least in downtown Minneapolis. That changes over to snow as we go overnight. Now, of course, even though we're still talking snow, we're still seeing snowpack melt. So those river levels still on the rise here. And we're even going to add more rain into the forecast as we go throughout next week. So this is definitely that time of year where we're keeping a very close eye on any of that flooding. Satellite-wise, cloud cover in place. Radar-wise, we had our first round of precipitation that was predominantly rain move through earlier today. When it comes to the current radar picture, we're starting to see more of this moisture push in from the south to the north. And I did turn on the lightning tracker with this part of the radar, and you can see some thunderstorms, severe thunderstorms in portions of Wisconsin, Illinois. Looking at this batch of showers, and even thunderstorms start to push into locations in Wisconsin and just starting to make a little bit of rain push into the southern part of the state of Minnesota. Now, of course, if we're adding any more rain or even snow, because we're anticipating it to be pretty slushy and also melt, that does exacerbate our flooding issues. Notice where we do have the aerial flood advisory across the north. That's due to melting snowpack. And then all of these locations here in the green along the rivers here are where we have some of those flood warnings. So that's why probably doesn't surprise you. The forecast over the next 6 days bringing in that flood potential. The pink is major flooding in the forecast. Red is moderate flooding in the forecast. So this is something that we'll be watching as we go throughout this week. All right, let's take you through the first round of precipitation. Your next future radar continues to pull it into the metro region as we go into about midnight, 1 in the morning. Notice that we pull this in as rain, but it transitions from rain to snow from west to east as we continue overnight. So while hopefully you're sleeping, hopefully you get to sleep in maybe coming up here tomorrow. If you're up early going into church, we are going to be watching this pull through, predominantly looking at a slushy snow here in the Twin Cities and metro area. That's the first round. Now we're starting to head into Sunday afternoon, and watch where we focus the darker colors here. That's in portions of Wisconsin and clipping portions of western Wisconsin. And that means Sunday night going into Monday, that is when we pull in that better chance of seeing accumulating snowfall across the Wisconsin area. And that looks like it's going to be bringing more snow in place than the first round coming up here tonight. So here's the forecast, and we are, as I said earlier in the show, where we have the winter weather advisory in place, and that's along I-35, including the metro region. We're looking at 2 to 4. That being said, because we do have warmer air at the surface, especially I've seen this all the time with a lot of these weather systems, you start to see things kind of melt on impact when it comes to the snow. So it is still contact when it comes to the snow. So that does at least minimize the amount of snowfall we'll be watching here in the metro area. But watch the second round as we go into Monday. Those of you in Wisconsin, western Wisconsin, we really start to pull in those higher snowfall amounts. So Monday morning, we could see a travel impact there. Also want to mention this. For tomorrow, we even have a wind advisory due to wind gusts of 45 miles per hour. This is coming up here tomorrow, going basically noon through midnight. Temperature-wise, we're down to 35 as we head into tonight, and not much of a climb when it comes to tomorrow. Look at tomorrow, we're just at 38. Also dealing with the wind, so it's going to make it feel even cooler. Monday and Tuesday, we get a break, and then rain does return as we head Wednesday, Thursday, as well as Friday, with high temps that go back to the 40s, lows pretty much into the 30s. Interesting weather question for you. More rain fell in this city on April 12th this year than all of 2022 in the Twin Cities, New York, Seattle, Fort Lauderdale, or Denver.